on my kitchen rack are these two Dutch ovens that I don't use anymore because they are just too big and too heavy. So when Overmont said that they would send me a 5.5 quart pot so that I could create a video and give you a close-up look and actually show it being used in a recipe so that you can make an informed purchase decision, I was very curious as to what it would be like. So first off, it comes with a whole kit. So it comes with these cute little handles that these handle covers that I wasn't sure how that would actually work. The lid I was concerned was going to be super heavy like my other ones. It was not. I mean, it's heavy, but it's definitely doable. It has the dots so that it traps the moisture in. I decided to bake an entire chicken, and this is how it turned out. It was cooked so well, so delicious, and it was really moist, evenly cooked, way better than I ever expected it to actually bake or cook in the oven. And you can see the handles there. It worked great, the little handle holders. So the quality is really amazing. I was really surprised and impressed. And in terms of cleaning, at first I started trying to clean it with some dish soap. You never want to put it in the dishwasher if you can avoid it. And I was just using a regular cloth, and it was it was coming off, but I decided, well, maybe I'll go ahead and try the sponge that came with it. And by the way, it did come with some cookbooks and user manual. It came right off with this sponge. I was so surprised. So definitely keep that on hand. You will want to use that with this. So I'm impressed. I hope this video was helpful, and I plan on using this for many, many more meals.